Hi guys, and today topic is drop-down box and checkbox, and how to use select drop-down box, how to use select in checkbox, in how to automate these particular steps. I will show it this video, and thank you for watching. First of all, thank you for watching the video, and please subscribe and support my channel. And previously, I will so many topics are done, also frameworks, alerts, and I'm providing this description. I will check it out all the videos, and thank you for watching. And keywords also I will done, and this particular for now I am I am told that there is a select particular drop down box. This particular drop down box, select that this particular drop down box, and I want this particular ID, I want this particular search, and particular these steps how to automate in Selenium, how to automate in Selenium code. I will show it, and thank you for watching. And first of all, I will create a drop down box file. I will import it. These are jar files, and system.out.set system.out.set is launch browser. This is a launch browser, and this is a enter URL. This is a user name and password. Username and password. After and click on login button. Click on login button and click on login button and enter. This is not click on login button. After click on login button, enter frame. This is an enter frame, and this is a syntax of drop down box, syntax of drop down box, and this is a select st and new select driver dot find element by dot I name, and after name I will st select by visible emp, and select dot visible text is emp id, select index value is 1, and select value is 0. 0 means emp id value and index are different. I will show it detailed way just in inspect, and we'll show it. This is a string text, and this is a index value. This is a 0 0 index value emp. These are the same things. And next, and this is select and search on id, search on id in select box, search on id in particular this particular select box, search on id. And let's next step is search value. Click on search value index value and click on delete option, and so many things are there. Delete option and exit frame, exit frames and log out, log out, and let's start the video. Just run this video, sorry, let's run this application and launch browser and enter URL, username and password. Click on login button and select EMV box and select EMV ID and search on 003 and search and select the value and delete the value. Delete it successfully and is closed. This is the end, and I will run once again. I will run once again and enter URL, login, username and password, select TMP ID and select 113 and search and enter Selenium and delete the option. Is successfully closed, deleted and successfully back. And this is the select box, select for drop down, how to automate particular drop down. And this is the video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel.